Hello there, welcome to this learning tutorial. This learning tutorial has been designed to help the students who are trying to use Dreamweaver CS4 to create a website. Now, if you have been following my previous tutorials, that is, you haven't managed to insert images in your web page, you haven't inserted buttons, or you haven't done the formatting of your home page, I advise you to go back to the previous tutorials and learn how to do this. Otherwise, in this tutorial, I'm only going to be talking about inserting audio in your web page. Now, before we begin doing this, there's something I really need to mention. In most cases, the media in terms of audio is either in MP3 or WAV format. Now, these formats often cause problems in Dreamweaver CS4, especially if you're using the Berkeley School network. What happens if you insert your audio in MP3 or WAV format? Often the Dreamweaver causes problems. So what we do, we format these MP3 or WAV format into Flash, and we use a special program called Adobe Media Encoder. So it's either found in all programs start Adobe Design Premium, and there is a program here, Adobe Media Encoder. Once you click on it, it will load up. I've already loaded it up, and it's here. This program is very smart. All it is, you give it your MP3 or you give it your WAV format file, and it converts it into Flash. So all I now need to do here is go to Add. I find my audio file. Now they look similar, but before I do this, have a look. When I right click on my first file, Properties, can you see here in the type of file, it's the WAV file. So you really need to know that sometimes they look similar names, but they're different. Now if I go here, right click, Properties, it's called a Flash file. I've already done this, so I just wanted to show you how we do this. So now they may look the same names, but they are different files. So I now need to show you how I managed to create my Flash file. So I will go to Add. I find my audio file. I know that one because I've done it. So it's the WAV file. I will open that. Now it's here. Now what happens, you need to tell this program what type of Flash do you need. So under this button here, you can see there are hundreds. Actually, they're not hundreds. There are so many formats of Flash. So the one that I have tested to work on our Berkeley School network is this Flash 8. So make sure you click on Flash 8. So if you didn't see what I did, I selected Flash 8. Now once you've got that, you just need to say start the queue. Yeah, and now it's going to do it. I'm going to stop it because yes, I want to stop it. Okay, I'll let it finish, but in most cases I've already done this. So if really I need to remove this, I'll say remove, because I've already got it, so there's no need of me doing it again. It's already here. So I now need to show you how I put this audio into my Dreamweaver web page. So now we go back to our page, and I'm going to put my audio in the box. So I will make sure my cursor is inside my AP Div box. I will go to Insert, I will go to Media, and I will click on FLV. That's the Flash format. Now it comes up. I will go here to the browse and then find my audio file here, and I'll click OK. Now this is really not enough. One thing I really mentioned, make sure there is no space in the file name of your audio. If there are some spaces, it's going to cause problems. So I know in my file name there is no space. So the next thing here, you need to set detect sizes. So the program needs to know the sizes before it continues. Then secondly, Flash here gives you some different design styles of the playing icon. So you can say if you want to use that designing style for your control, you go for that. So there are so many design styles here. It's entirely up to you. So I'm not going to even waste time. I'll go for my previous one, which is really something that I've tried in the past. So it doesn't really matter what you choose. So I will go for that, and I'll click OK. Now you can see it's really massive. So what I need to show you here, the quickest way of getting this to the best size you want. So I will go down in the properties. Now you can see here it's 655 by 480. So you need to reduce this to fit your space. So I don't know what size I will go for. I'll just guess this. Maybe I'll go for about 200. I don't know what it will look like, but I'll just try and see. So I can see now that's really fitting into my box. I've actually just guessed this, so it's really up to you what type of size you want. I've really just have a guess, so I can move my text box away from there. So you can see that's really where my audio goes. So if I save to see how my work looks now, file save, I tend to say save all. Now if I go to preview to see how it looks like in Explorer, have a look. This is really my audio. Now it's playing. So if you want to do more formatting, like removing the black color there is another tutorial I can show you, but in this case I only wanted to show you how I put audio into my Dreamweaver web page. So now I want you to stop this tutorial. You need to go and do this, but remember, before you put your audio, you need to turn this file into Flash. Sorry, I've been so quick, but I want you to get the job done. So good luck in putting audio in your web page, and see you in the next tutorial, where even I will show you how to put video into your web page. Good luck.